Sa lahat ng mga pinagdaanan ko, sa tingin ko, talo ka kapag hinayaan mo yung sarili mo na mag-dwell ka dun sa galit, dun sa negativity or consequences ng mga kasalanan na hindi mo naman ginawa. I think it's about time that you have to be that kind of legal wife who is fierce enough to stand up for herself, not just for herself, but also for her family. Especially when you think there is remorse, meron namang eagerness to build or rebuild that almost broken relationship that you have with your husband. Dapat you have to be fierce enough to make a stand for your family and yes, for yourself as well. Huwag mong hayaan yung sarili mo na ma-intimidate sa arrogance sa mga tao na kung sino pa yung nagkamali, sila pa yung nagmamalaki. Kasi sa totoo lang, sa panahon ngayon, hindi nagmamatter kung ano yung mga bagay na nangyari sa'yo, ano yung mga bagay na ginawa sa'yo ng asawa mo. What matters is what you become after you have been cheated on. Sa panahon ngayon, sa tingin ko, ang labanan, hindi puro ganda lang eh. Kailangan you have to have that wisdom, that courage in your heart, and also that peace in your heart. That's when you can say that you are strong enough at kaya mo to keep on moving forward. Sabi nga nila, be that kind of woman who deserves to be called a queen. Kaya gamitin mo lahat ng pain na nararanasan mo ngayon. Not to be a hateful person, but to be the kind of person who keeps on moving forward. The person who is going to turn all those pain into power and wisdom and strength and courage to intimidate all the negativity, all the evil deeds that other people are trying to do against you.